Good morning. I'm Faye Thompson. Today we're going to do pecan pie. We're going to start off with 1 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour, and we'll get that mixed up. We're going to have 3 eggs, and I will try to beat them a little bit. I'm going to beat them up a little bit before I put them in there, but you can just, these are room temperature. I left them out too, so they'd be room temperature. Now this is 3 eggs, 3/4 cup of Karo syrup. This is a white syrup. Now you can use the dark syrup if you want to. There's a lot of different recipes for Karo pecan pie, and they don't vary very much. But some people do like the dark better, but I like the white. 2 tablespoons of butter, and I left this out too to get soft. It'll be easy to mix up. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now we're going to take our mixer and mix this. I think we'd do a lot better than with it by hand. It doesn't take but a minute to do this. All we like now is our cup of pecans. 1 cup of pecans, chopped up pecans. So I thought if there's anything left, I'd do one of the little tarts like Emily did at the Thanksgiving dinner. Hers was really good. And she bought her crust too. She's like I was. She didn't want to mess with that. They're little pastry shells. And these are the things that I use for the pumpkin pies. I have a video of that. My grandson, he'd rather have these tarts and have this same recipe. But in fact, I didn't get to see him this time. I didn't make these pies for him. But that's what he wants, these little tarts with the pumpkin pie. And the other day, Emily had Karo pecan in them, and they really were good. And I got a friend, Janine McCutcheon, my best friend. She makes these all the time, but she makes her own crust. She's a real good cook. And a lot of times, when we go places, she'll take them, and they're always a big hit. Another thing I'm going to tell you, I found in my baking that pies will have a tendency to burn on the outside. And this is one of my little kitchen toys. I think I ordered it out of one of the little catalogs you get in the mail. But it works. But if you don't have this, put you some aluminum foil or something around it. Anything to cover that crust to keep it from burning. And we've got a little latch right here that'll kind of hold that in place. We're ready to put this in the oven now. We're gonna check it in 45 minutes, and we sure don't want to overcook it. Now we're ready to take our pecan pie out of the oven and let it cool. And we'll see what this did with the crust. See, now that crust is plenty brown. If I'd not put that on there, it would have gotten so brown you would not have wanted to serve it.